Moving on, awarded Honorary Chief Executive Officer of the Year from Zay World Traders Incorporated, Mr. Abdul Razak Siddiq.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the gracious, the merciful. Thanks to all of you. I want to share this is not only achievement but all my achievements. I always thanks first to God Almighty Allah and to follow the way of the prophets. I have a great role in my life with my mother, my father, my wives, my children, and all the people who love me. I want to give a very short message about humanity. Today we are divided into nations, and every nation thinks about their own nation. Why not we think about the human nation? We are human species living on this planet, and we should love each other, and we should live with harmony like all the other species living on this planet with harmony, and to stop killing each other. We see a lot of murder recently in Palestine. There are thousands of children being killed, and we are watching, and we as a human being are thinking about our nation and not thinking about the human beings. I've been crying to see what's happening in Middle East, in Palestine. There are thousands of children being killed. So I want to give this message to the whole world. Be human. We are all human beings. And we don't need to make any categories or any kind of racism, and not to make your nation or nationalism as a different kind of racism. Rather to think about we all human are children of Adam. As Allah said in the Quran, O mankind, we created you from one man and one female and made you into different branches just to identification. And the most honorable with you is the one who's most fearing God. And the one who's most fearing God, who don't harm any other human being. But he should be always to be beneficial to human beings and to the other creation on this earth. So, may God Almighty Allah guide us all. Ameen. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Abdul Razak Siddiq, President of Two World Traders Incorporated.